Today is a big day. It's Attack of the Babies now.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah! I love big bus.
Starting to lose it.
And
Sometimes you're just too tired to go on.
all right, good morning, people of the internet. Today is a big day. All right, today is Miss Shelby's dance recital. So we are spending the morning right now. It's actually pretty early. It's about 8 o'clock. We are running around getting all the kids ready to go. Shelby's getting her hair done, her makeup done, and then we are headed up to go watch some dancing. We'll bring you guys along, have a look-see, and give the girl a round of applause. You know, she's been practicing for several months on this routine, so she's pretty excited. Hey ladies. 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 I'm talking to you. Whoa. Are you ready to go watch your sister dance?
No.
Yeah? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh no, here she comes. Oh jeez.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. See, I already opened the vlog, so I'm just doing it again for funsies. We're on our way to Shelby's dance recital. I'll close my door in a second, it's too hot. It's really, really muggy outside. Yep. Got it covered. I always got it covered. I have everything. We just need you, who went back inside for I don't know what. But we got all the kids loaded up. I'm very excited. We're gonna go see Shelby do her dance. We went last night and did dress rehearsal. She did great. So I'm pretty excited. And I think the rest of the kids are too. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
We really bring our own entire cheering section. Okay, hey. No, Noah and Rosie, that's too much. Okay? I said that's too much.
Why?
We really do bring our own entire cheering section to these things.
Why?
All right, we're here. Let's let the gremlins loose. Okay, don't go far. Stay right here.
No, I don't.
All right, Daddy's got to move the car forward, so come away from it. Everybody come stand right here by Shelby. Got to pull the car forward because our tail's hanging over the back.
Coming out of the car, right? Why? Bye, Dad. Dad, not safe.
If you want your tail to not be hanging over the back spot.
Is my front hanging over into the street? Is our car just...
No, you're fine. Our car's huge. It's a bus.
I like big buses and I can't.
It's not a bus. This is yellow. The bus. I love big bus. And you got love.
Bus. You said bus. Let's be clear for everybody. What did you say?
I
Bus.
love bus when I
Okay.
laugh.
Everybody questions my parenting and thinks that he just said bus. He said bus.
Because of your armpits? Isn't that a reason to take a shower?
All right, we're all here. Cousins are here. Ash.
Dad, let me show Dad.
How are you?
Are you gonna watch Uncle Pete?
Oh, hi.
Jasper.
What?
How's that bug?
You getting the bug?
You want to
Got
help me?
Alice.
You want to look through that?
This auditorium's about to fill up. We're not actually allowed to record the dances. I'm gonna see what I can do though, just to get like a little clip. But we're not technically supposed to.
Oh, there goes the light.
All right, we are wrapped up at the recital. Shelby did amazing. Unfortunately, I can't videotape. They don't allow you to videotape in there. You have to like buy the DVD or whatever, so I couldn't videotape it. But she did amazing. All the kids did. And now we're stopping at the ever so wonderful Chick-fil-A and just grabbing something to eat before we head home because it's like 12:45 and we've been out of the house for like 3 or 4 hours and everybody's hungry. Starting to lose it.
And cranky. Rosie, you look marvelous. So Shelby, is this one of your old dance outfits? You gave it to me?
A ballet.
It looks great. Ballet. You want to go in there and dance?
Yeah.
Okay, go in there. I see you got your tap shoes on too. Look fantabulous, girl.
I'm gonna stuff these tissues behind your heels because they're way too tiny.
How's your snack? You having some cheese? Is it so good? Mmm. Yummy cheese. Yummy cheese. I just took a bath because I went and did we got back from the recital, just hung out and went and did my long run for today, which didn't end up being as long as I wanted it to be, which really bummed me out. But as you can see, I got sunburnt. I was running on the track and it was very, very hot and no shade. So sunburnt and not what I intended. So I ended up cutting it short. And then I came home and just took a bath because my legs and hips and stuff were hurting. And now we're eating. And that guy.
I think we're gonna do cooking with Bob tonight.
Looks like we're gonna do cooking with Bob. So we started we're trying to make some dietary changes around here, just eating a little healthier, less grains, more fresh fruits and vegetables, stuff like that. So we've been using Danielle Walker's book, Against All Grain. And what are you making tonight? A California chicken wrap. Is that with the butter lettuce?
You can use it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna use butter lettuce. They're gonna use tortillas. I'm gonna use butter lettuce. And sometimes you're just too tired to go on. Just fall asleep in the middle of the floor.
I wish I could do that.
We should
I have a feeling that Millie has escaped.
We should move her. Yeah.
Look at her.
You don't get that.
Hey, good morning, crew. It is Sunday morning. I think Angie and I just kind of completely lost track of time yesterday and the vlog. So we are getting ready this morning to take some of the little kids, and I think, actually, who's all going? Is it just the twins? And then probably Shelby and obviously Kennedy. We're taking Kennedy to horseback riding. That's what I'm working towards. Today's not Father's Day, but you can act as though it is if you want, and we can celebrate it like twice. You ready to do this? You got your helmet? You got your saddle?
No. It's at my socks.
Ah, well done. Let's do it. All right, so we just got back from horseback riding lessons, and this kid has been grilling me with
weird questions.
weird questions. What was one? Like, would I rather be stung in the eye or in the nostril? What finger would I prefer to have cut off? If I were a girl, who would I have dated in high school? And what was the most recent one? If I were an animal?
Yeah,
what
if
animal
we
would I
all
be?
died and we turned into animals, like if we had a second life, we were animals, I think that would be a beaver because of the big butt, you would slap trees with it.
This is what I've been working with so far this morning.
And you cannot lose this finger because you have to get married.
Well, I told you, you can get married without a ring finger. That's not the determining factor.
It's called the ring finger. You can't lose the ring finger. That's where you put the ring.
Okay.
You can't put your ring here.
I guess if I...
Dad's finger, it looks like a thumb. His ring finger, it's so big. Look at, he's practically cutting off his circulation. He can't even move
sausage
it.
hands. You guys working on some Mad Libs?
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, you have doctored that limeade up with way, way too much sugar. Put the sugar away, please.
Look, I just took a spoon and look at the sugar that's sitting on it. That mixed it.
Shelby, Darlene,
There's literally
you shouldn't have a bowl of sugar accompanying your cup of limeade. Oh my Gersh. You got naked babies? They have rashes. So they're airing out right now. I just got done cleaning out my wife's van, and it's hot outside. My face is fried. Holy smokes. Angie has been going bananas upstairs in our bedroom, cleaning out clothes and organizing and just doing a bunch of cleaning. It's been a good day. Hey, how was your nap? Good. Was it a good one? Do you have good dreams? Yes. Noah's over here just going to town on some Sega. That's awesome. He also helped me.
Give me some kisses.
Give me some kisses. Noah, Jonah, off your brother. Jonah, off your brother. Thank you. Hey Noah, thank you again for the help cleaning out the van. You were helpful. Good talk. Hi. Dude, how much you guys have progressed in the last, what, month?
All right, we got their little drive-in movie theater set up. They're in their high chairs, having a little snack. Daddy's turning on something.
She is excited right now.
What do you want to watch, baby? Yeah? What do you want to watch? Yeah? What do you want to watch?
How about Boss Baby? This would be right up your guys' alley.
You want to watch Boss Baby?
Yeah. All right.
Do you think, Chi-Chi? You want to watch Boss Baby? Oh, look, her little lower lip is all like, the skin under her lip is all red because she sucks on her bottom lip a lot and sticks her tongue out and makes it all red. What? What's that, boo-boo? So we are getting the bins out. All the other hooligans are playing in the backyard. Well, not the big girls, where are they?
They're cleaning their room upstairs.
Kennedy and Shelby are cleaning their room. We've got the babies at their little drive-in theater. Noah, Jonah, Rosie are in the backyard, and we're gonna tackle this
room.
closet.
Show the before.
Yeah, we have to show the before. That's what makes it good.
I want to.
Well, they've seen it.
It's gotten really bad over the last couple
They've
weeks.
seen it. All right, this is our utility catch-all closet. Remember when you added those shelves?
Mm-hmm.
It's a mess.
It's pretty bad right now. I will take some responsibility.
You have the stuff to hang my thing for the broom and everything? All right, let's get to it.
It's a laundry basket.
Yeah, what's our first step?
We gotta take everything out.
Okay. Progress to make them all a little heart happy. Let me show you. We're getting some bins put back in here, getting them all labeled. I ordered a whole bunch of different sizes of these bins, small, medium, and large from Amazon, but it's making it so much easier to get things organized. This old tile's all stained, but it's fine. It's fine. It's good. We're almost done. Got more going. He's just grabbing a few things out of the homeschool closet, which is my next thing to tackle, is getting that better organized. But there's some stuff that needs to go in here. Ouch, I just stepped on something. All right, guys, here it is, the finished closets. The only thing we have left to do is hang the little hook for the broom and the swiffer, but we gotta make dinner, so we're gonna take pause. But it's all organized and lovely. Ciara's getting started on dinner. He's making some kind of chicken wrap thingy. I don't know. I gotta run to the store and get a few things that we didn't get in our grocery order. And then it's like starting the bedtime craziness because school tomorrow and all that good stuff.
All right, guys, tonight's Cooking with Bob is gonna be some shish kebabs. So we've got, where's it at? There's our marinade right there. A bunch of different stuff. We've got some scallions, some ginger, some honey, some soy sauce, a little bit of coconut in there, some pineapple juice, the whole nine. And then we'll get these guys going on the grill. Time to eat.
Yeah.
How is it? How is it?
Good.
Good. Just some meat and rice for you guys. No veggies, huh? Interessante, I say. Rosie, she likes some zucchini, huh? She's a good veggie eater. And this one wants some steak too, but you can't have any because you're just a baby. You're just a baby. Who's very angry right now.
What you doing, Rue? What are you doing?
Today.
Are you reading a book?
Yes.
What book? Let me see.
I was
Fluffy? What is that?
a gas.
What is it?
Baby gas. No! Hi.
His hand is like as big as... Well, never. Your brother is crazy.
I double. Hey, I double.
All right, that's gonna be it from us for today. Kids got school. It's been a very, very busy day. Ciara got the car organized. I got stuff organized up in our room. I went through a ton of clothes, got rid of a ton of stuff, taking it to Goodwill, and some stuff I just had to throw away. But it's not a slot machine, it's a label maker. Anyways, as you can see, it's bedtime. It's bedtime for everybody. You ready?
I'm trying to get on you. Kill it.
See you later, tweets.